Hello everyone, how to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So if we have x factorial divided by 7 factorial is equals to 6 factorial, and here we solve this problem for all the values of x, and at the last we will be verify that which of the values are solution and which of the values are extraneous to it. So here we move toward the solution of this problem, and the very first thing we are going to do is first we move this 7 factorial to the right hand side. It is divided by here. When we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by 7 and it will becomes x factorial is equals to 7 factorial is multiplied by 6 factorial. And here we use the nice definition of factorial sign. You know about that. If we have this is 7 factorial, so we break the 7 up to 1 and we multiply all of these integers. Okay, so it will be written as, if this is 7 factorial, we write it as 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. And in the same pattern we break this 6 factorial, and when we break this 6 factorial, it will be written as 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So here we just expand both of these two factorial signs. And now here first we write this value as it is. It is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and 1. And here we need to simplify these terms. And now here first you see that if we multiply these two values, 4 multiplied by 2, it will becomes here 4 2s are 8. We write this 8 here. Okay, 4 times 2 becomes 8. We move this from last to top, and it will be written as here. And further in the next step, we get the remaining values are, this is 6 5 3. Okay, we have these three remaining values, and here we break this 6 as, we write this 6 as 3 multiplied by 2, and we write this is 5, and here we get this is 3 only. And further in the next step, here we need more simplifications, and now you see here this is 2 times 5 becomes 10. So again we move this pair in the top, and here you see that this is 3 times 3 becomes 9. So this 3 multiply 3 becomes 9, which we can write in the top, and it will becomes 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by the remaining values is right as it is, 7 multiplied 6 and 5 4 3 2 and 1. So here we first write this is 3 times 3 becomes 9, we write it here, and now 2 times 5 becomes 10. So we again write this 10 into the top of the terms, so this will becomes here. Now you see here this is 10 times 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. And now if you focus on 7 factorial, in 7 factorial we move 7 and multiply it up to 1. So if this is 10, if this is the first number digit is 10 and we multiply up to 1, then it means that these all numbers, when we combine all of these numbers into the factorial form, it will becomes here 10 factorial. And in the left hand side we will get or we have this is x factorial. And now because here our target is to find the value of x, so that's why this factorial sign is cancelled out by this factorial sign, and this implies that we easily get the value of x is equals to 10. So this is the only one root of the given equation which we get here. And now here in the next step we need to verify that is this value of x is satisfied our given question statement or not. So that here we need to verify the value of x. For this we copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is x factorial divided by 7 factorial is equals to 6 factorial. And here we put the value of x is equals to 10 into the left hand side. And when you put this value here, it will becomes this will becomes here 10 factorial is divided by 7 factorial, and here we check that is this equals to 6 factorial or not. So here we just break this 10 factorial up to 7 factorial, and it will be written as 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 factorial. Okay, this is 10, 9, 8 and 7 factorial is divided by 7 factorial is equals to 6 factorial. And now this 7 factorial is cancelled out by this 7 factorial, and we just break all of these three values, and this is 10, we write it as 2 times of 5 becomes 10. This is 9, we write it as 3 times 3 becomes 9, and this is our 8, we write this 8 as 2 times of 4, and we check that is this equals to 6 factorial or not. So here first we need to multiply these two terms because we need to make here 6 factorial. So 2 times 3 becomes here 6, and after that we have this is 5, and after that we have this is our 4, and the remaining these two values we have 3 and multiplied by 2, and here we write it 1, and this is equals to 6 factorial. And now here you clearly see that our left hand side will become 6 factorial is equals to 6 factorial. So you see that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value of x is equals to 10 is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about that this question has the solution set is equals to x equals 10. So this is our final answer of this problem. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.